Hey guys, I'm Cameron Marshall, Hampden-Sydney class of 2012 and your Director of Alumni and Parent Engagement. I'm sitting here on the patio of our new state-of-the-art Pauley Science Center with the iconic bell tower behind me in the heart of our beautiful campus. In just 4 short weeks, this space will be occupied by alumni and their guests who are returning home to celebrate Alumni Weekend in June. We just left the lodge at the new Grove Apartments for upperclassmen, and this luxurious space will be converted into housing for our alumni and their guests. We're talking brand new construction with leather furnishings, a full kitchen, big screen TVs on the wall, and your own clubhouse overlooking Lake Chalgrove. This means no more driving into town after a late night of revelries with the boys. Stick around, enjoy the live music, receptions, and sitting around the fire pit with the guys telling stories from the glory days. Now, as you can see, the campus is in full bloom and the academic year is coming to a close with commencement this weekend. As our recent graduates leave the gates to start their next chapter as alumni, we invite you back to the Hill for the long-awaited Alumni Weekend, scheduled June 9th through 11th, just 1 month away. This concept of an Alumni Weekend might be new for many of you. So, what is it? Simply put, it's the biggest alumni celebration on campus, and you don't want to miss it. Now, I know what you're thinking. You're the alumni director, the hype guy. It's your job to get excited about these events. Well, you're not wrong. But hey, don't take my word for it. Come find out for yourself, or ask your buddies who came last year. They'll tell you it doesn't disappoint. There's something for everyone, and with this event taking place in the summer, you have access to all that our bucolic campus has to offer. Not sure what you do on campus in the summer? Well, we've planned some things to help you out along the way, like academic lectures, a clay shooting tournament, a fly fishing clinic, golf at the Manor, tours of new campus developments, bourbon tastings, receptions, dinners, and lots of live music. Looking to just post up at your old fraternity house with some buddies in a cooler? You can do that too. Alumni Weekend's an occasion for all alumni to get back to the Hill and celebrate our storied brotherhood. We have over 100 alumni and their guests already registered, so don't hesitate to reserve your spot now. Registration's only $300, all inclusive. You can't even get a decent hotel for 2 nights at that rate. And every registrant will get an exclusive Alumni Weekend t-shirt and other cool merch. Visit alumni.hsc.edu/events and click Alumni Weekend 2023. The gates are open. See you on the Hill.